Hi. How's it going? So, what you guys been up to lately? Anything interesting? Anything cool? Well, are you ready for a review? Now, this is going to be a review for those brand new people in the fountain pen world that are either falling down that rabbit hole or just getting out of that rabbit hole and still not sure how to fill a cartridge. Well, you're going to need a syringe and some ink. And while you're at it, you better get a napkin. Well, you'll need it to wipe off your nib. And fold it up, and we're going to do a cartridge refill, and then I'm going to review a pen that I've done back in the day, but I want to bring this pen back because for me it's a very cool pen, and I'll explain that process later. So here we go. Gonna take this right off. Oh, I do have some Schaefer cartridges, but we're just gonna do this one right now because I can. All right.
And to make a note, this is not a needle injection syringe. This is a rather thick needle. And where do you get these things from?
I think from any pen seller, Anderson Pens, Pen Boutique, Federalist Pens and Paper may carry them.
So they're widely available.
Yeah, yeah. So, got me a little bit of ink, but I'm not going to need a whole lot because I will change out pens after they run dry. So, I like to rotate my pens and get everybody a break. I'm just that kind of guy. All right. Alrighty, my friends. Let's get that ink on down there for a while. So there it is. And I do, like I said, I do have some Schaefer cartridges, but I just wanted to show you this is a standard cartridge. And this is what I've been using. Okay? So, in the next video, I'm going to talk about this pen, but right now, all it is about filling that cartridge. You saw how simple that was? Again, standard cartridge. I filled it up with this syringe, and the needle is a blunt. It's not sharp, nothing like that. It's not made. It's just made for fountain pens.
And let's examine the cartridge real quickly. Which end goes in the pen, and which end?
The one with the nipple goes in the pen, right there with the grip section all the way down right there, bam. And the flat one is looking that way. Very simple. And I think I may have a cartridge or 10,000. Here's one right here. Here's one right here. And that's what they look like, okay? New people I'm talking to, folks. That part goes in. Okay, so. And I could have used this, but I didn't want to. I wanted to show those new people how to do this. It's really, really easy. It really is. It's not rocket science. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Now we're going to get to some writing here. Let's see if that ink went down yet. It should have. And if it hasn't, here's what we're going to do. We're going to get it to writing here in a second. Let me get a notepad here. Let me set all this good stuff aside, and I'm going to use the Franklin Christoph tablet, and we'll get this little drill started. All right. Let's see here. Sometimes when your ink hasn't gone far enough down to that feed yet, you might want to do this, but you want to be careful because it can go everywhere. Now it's ready to go. See there? Ready to go. Okay. Alright, that didn't take long, so here we go. writing time, that wasn't too bad. And that's all there is to it. And that's how you fill a cartridge. Very simple. So, like I said, this is for new people that are brand new, that are wondering, well, how do I fill a cartridge? What do I need? It looks really hard. Well, I've got a couple of emails of new people, brand new, that are thinking about doing this, and then they're a little bit concerned that they won't be able to do this. And I said, well, I will do a video for you, and I hope these videos help you and anyone else that is new in the pen world. So, if you're new in the pen world and you got a question, leave your comments below. Let me know if this helped any of you new people out there. If I don't know the answer, I'll do the best to get that answered for you. So that's it, folks. Until later, be safe as always. Follow the rules. Right? Wash the hands, wear the mask, do the social distancing. And please, don't text and drive. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.